Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first video you're seeing on this channel this year, I wish you a happy new year. To my subscribers, welcome. Thank you for always stopping by. Thank you for never getting tired. Thank you for always coming whenever it notifies you that I've uploaded a new video. If you're new on this channel, what we do here is that we talk about the UK, life in the UK, my life as a mother, as a student in the UK, as a wife, combining these things, and also working part-time. And we also share food recipes as a professional chef. I also do food videos as well. Then also we also do Sister Tinu content. Sister Tinu is, for those who don't know, Sister Tinu is the comic part of me. So we is a Christian comedy. And if you're not following her on YouTube, please follow Sister Tinu underscore on YouTube and also on Facebook. And so we share all sorts on this channel. So this channel is all in one. You have variety. So in case you are looking for comedy, it is here. In case you are looking for food recipe, it is here. In case you are looking for life in the UK, everything is here in one. So this channel is Bobonishi, all things in one. You understand? So we have all sorts here. You'll be entertained, you'll be informed, you'll be educated. Everything in one be in one on one channel. Okay, so that's it, guys. So this, out of all these three things I mentioned, one will definitely catch your attention, right? So please subscribe to my channel. So this video today's video is just to have a talk, to have a chat. It's not necessarily going to be a dialogue, because of course we can't have a dialogue, but it's just to have a connection with you guys. I just thought, okay, since I started this channel, I've not really had a sit-in video like that to really have a talk with my subscribers. And I just thought, okay, this is the year for that, and the year is still fresh. I thought, why not have a chat with your subscribers? Why not have a deep conversation with them, and just make them feel you and feel your personality somehow, apart from oh guys, today we are going here, we are going there, just to have a talk. If you get what I mean, it's just going to be a heart to heart kind of thing. You understand? So yeah, I'm not talking about anything. There are no topics, there are no food videos, it's just basically to connect with you guys. It's about 417 of you guys, and I mean that means a lot to me, guys, because YouTube subscription is not beans. YouTube, if you know YouTube very well, getting subscribers on YouTube is not like Instagram and all the other social media platforms. It is hard to get subscribers on YouTube. Is not beans. It is hard. So for me to have 417 of you guys in less than 5 months, guys, it really means a lot to me. So I just thought to come here and say thank you to you guys and have a talk, just to appreciate you guys and let you know how appreciative I am of the fact that some of you don't even have any reason to subscribe. You just click because I said you should click on that subscribe button, because I go about constituting users on everywhere, on my WhatsApp, on, Northumbria family. I see you guys. My friends and family members that are here, that are subscribers, you guys, you don't know what this means to me. So I just want to thank you guys and show you how, yeah, this is me just saying thank you. I mean, if I even say 1 million thank yous is not enough. I really, that's how thankful I am. Like, I'm just so grateful. So thank you guys. And how is everything doing? I hope you guys are doing well. How is the new year going so far? And how many of you have resolutions and are sticking with it? How many of you have stuck with it so far? How many have derailed so far? And yeah, so yeah, I just want to thank you guys. And yes, so then another thing I would like to talk about is the fact that please engage my videos more this year. That this algorithms just go a long way to help our videos. YouTube has a way of knowing if people are just subscribing for the sake of it, or if you're the one harassing people to come and subscribe to your channel. This engagement means a lot. It helps our statistics a lot somehow, so please, I just want to indulge you guys. I want to beg you guys to keep doing the good work. Please, you see that like button, that hand that give thumbs up like this, it really means a lot. Please, it helps in age when you click on that like button, when you subscribe, it just helps. It's not enough to just watch. I indulge you guys to please engage more. Let's engage more. And another thing I want to beg you guys for is to not skip ads. You see those ads that comes before the video starts, even if it's 60 seconds, 30 seconds, please, I beg, don't skip them. It really goes a long way because we put in so much effort, so much work into these videos, and especially for someone like me, that have children, that have to go to school, that have to also work part-time. There's so many things to meet up with. There's so many needs to be met, as a wife, as a mother, as a student, as a worker somewhere. And I also have to take care of myself. And adding YouTube to these things. And with YouTube, you have to be consistent. You can't start and stop. You have to be consistent. So putting in all this brain work, thinking of the next topic, having to gather all these equipments, and so we're investing a lot of time, a lot of energy, a lot of money into these things. So please, the only thing we get in return is your encouragement, and also hopefully when YouTube eventually monetizes us, start paying. That's how we get this money we have invested in back, so somehow. And you won't get to that point unless you have gotten to a certain point, if you get what I mean. You have to have a number of subscribers, a number of views, watch time, and all those things. It's just these things that make YouTube know that, okay, you're finally due for monetization. And we won't get there if we keep skipping ads, guys. So please, I'm begging. I know it's not my right, I'm not entitled to it. I'm just begging you guys to please don't skip ads. For the sake of growth, for the sake of 2023, I am begging. Please don't skip ads. Engage more, comment, click on the like button, and also share, please. This thing will really help and encourage us to put out more videos and entertain you guys more, and encourage and inform and educate you guys more on topics that I know of. So please, that's basically it. I wish you all things positive, all things growth, all things good health. I wish you all the best in whatever you find yourself doing. I just want to pray that God will expand us in whatever field we find ourselves. It's going to be a year of blessings. It's going to be a year of open doors. It's going to be a year of more and more and more prosperity, in sound health, in good health. We're not going to lose anybody. It's going to be a year of all-round growth, yes, of prosperity, of success, of more money, of course. So that's it, guys. I hope this video has been engaging enough. And yes, thank you so much for coming, and I wish you all the best in 2023. You please subscribe and tell people to subscribe to this channel. You're going to gain a lot, trust me. If you're not entertained, you're going to be informed. If you're not informed, you're going to be educated. So there's always something to gain on this channel. Please, now beg, I beg. Okay, so thank you so much. I wish you the best this year. If you're coming to the UK this year, trust me, you're not going to regret that decision, and I wish you the very best. And don't forget to pack enough food. If you're coming with your family, or maybe not, just pack food. Food is essential, and you're going to be needing it a lot, especially our African food, because it's expensive here. So I wish you all the best at the point of entry, for your biometrics, for your interview, for whatever it is you're doing. For till I see you in my next video, please take care of yourselves, and God bless you. Bye.